yes, to be continued.
Nothing is certain, and the heart starts dancing with the master. Like a river flowing to the sea, your love is an arrow flying straight to the heart of me. Love is like a river going to the sea. Your love is an arrow flying straight to the heart of me. Love is like a river flowing to the sea.
ताली तो बजाएंगे.
I am a Gurdiyal Singh. So we do gossip. If people like, then we do gossip, otherwise music or silence or what do we want actually, anything can happen. So, which is in pure needed gossip? Little bit.
Yes.
Not big one. Big one. Okay. So we do some gossip. So anybody else can play the question actually. Then I play answer.
Okay.
Question and answer, just play. Without play, no life. Nothing is serious. So just be play. Yes. So who want to first bed?
I have a question.
You have question.
I have a question.
Wow.
After 36 years of sannyas, I still don't know whether I have to go up to Kundalini, down in my belly, in the space. Where? Where is the door?
These all things are psychological phenomena. Real things, you mark your life. You are happy, then everything is there. If people are happy, then no need to think about Kundalini, about up, about the down, and what will happen, what will be happen or not happen. But real things is, if somebody enjoying life, they are happy with life, they have significance of the life. Happiness is the great significance of the life actually. If people are happy with any condition, it means something is beautiful with you actually. You got it. Something you got it. And different things, little bit second things. If people are enjoying with you, then there is 100% clear everything that something has happened with you. First you are happy, then surrounding people are happy with you, with your act, with your expression, with your living style, with your loving style. If people are happy surrounding you, it means you are good. So don't put any measurement. Where I am, Kundalini, up or down or belly or this or that. These all things are psychological phenomena actually. But real things people should check. They are happy, means whole world is happy. If you are happy, whole world happy. If you are unhappy, then no meaning of the world. Whole world are unhappy for you. Because it comes from you actually. You are the real measurement scale. When you are feeling happy and loving, then you can see everybody looks very nice. When you have some beauty inside, then everything is beautiful for you. Because the outside is the only projection. Nothing is there, only projection. So, my feeling is this, You are happy. Looks like a happy show. And a little bit here and there, the taste of feeling. Because about the enlightenment, about the spiritual journey actually, many questions are there actually. There is no measurement and everybody has a different idea. So many people has a different idea and they are talking about that. And we are listening. So please don't listen anybody else, first things. If you are not listening anybody else about any spiritual things actually, just you mark where are you. If you are feeling you are happy, then no need to think about anything. Just enjoy happiness to happiness. Happiness to happiness. This is endless journey. Once start happiness, then happiness to happiness. God is not fixed. God is happy, godliness is happy, but it became a more happy. More and more, it will become a more happy. Happiness to happiness. Endless journey. Just enjoy, dance and enjoy and do some message for people also. Only happiness, like this. Now, what is your difficulty? If you have a difficulty, then I think this is unnecessary difficulty. If you have it. Because I am looking, many people are enjoying with you. It means something is there. Why you worry about that? Just you respect that. Many times people have a good experience. They are going in proper track. They are really enjoying. But since long time they doubtful about that actually. They don't believe it. They don't trust themselves. That's why if you have a trust with yourself, then you are growing yourself. You are doubtful about yourself, then your journey break with you. You are the responsible for breaking the journey. If you are doubtful, first things, you have a trust with Master. This is the 80% journey finished. Somebody enlightened and we are with him. In this world, if somebody became enlightened, then the way is open. 80% problem solved. If somebody became enlightened and you know that person and you visit that, this is the, you know, Buddha said, human being has a 4 luck. Human being has a 4 luck. One, number first, they born under the Buddha vision. Buddha was working in the world actually, and you born same time. This is your first luck. Second luck, you recognize him. You recognize. Thousands, million people are in the world. Very few children introduce who is the Buddha. They reach there. This is the second luck. The third luck, you really surrender him actually. You love and surrender to him. This is the third luck. And fourth luck, you became enlightened with him. These are 4 lucks. Whole human being has it. And in this earth, I am very happy. Many people born in this time. This time great consciousness is working in the world actually. Same time we born. This is the great phenomena happen with us. Then second, we knows the person who has this mystery. who has this mystery, how can live in Buddhahood? And he is with us. So second luck complete actually. If one luck is there, you understand only one luck. It is enough. Your journey start. Your journey already started. If you born in same period, then little bit more journey happen when you recognize him. Who is the Buddha in the world actually? And why, you reach there. You visit him. So my feeling is this. Just don't go to philosophical question actually. Just you enjoy. You are lucky person, I know very well actually. I am very lucky. I know this thing. And you are also lucky. You respect yourself. Then all problem will be solved. All question will be disappear. If 100% you are feeling like this, I am very lucky person. Because I was with him. This is not I think easy phenomena. This is the greatest mystery actually. You were with him. When somebody realized little bit, then the whole open door, then they felt, oh my God, what happened with me? So, you just enjoy and respect your happiness and don't ask any question here and there actually. Just enjoy. Yes. Question. It was just play. He was playing with me. I am playing with him actually. And somebody has other question?
Yeah, it
You?
yes, comes with the same, because I have the feeling now I'm leaving that I missed opening up more towards you and I have the feeling that I learned a lot this time, but I couldn't jump over some barrier to maybe it's too much in the head, but to merge with you. Many times I was sitting in meditation and trying to do something, but it doesn't work like this.
Actually, who he living in mind, who he living, little bit more amount in mind actually. Mind always hungry. This is the quality of mind. Mind cannot be satisfied with hunger actually. Always living in hunger. This is the quality of mind. Lot of things are happening with you. Here, I know actually. Lot of things. And many things are hidden there. But remember one thing. The mind is a hunger. And mind live in a hunger attitude, then you can't believe what happened with you. Because mind living on the door and things are coming, it throw behind. It throw, immediately it throw behind. And always living on the door. Hungry to get few things. Hungry to get few things. And many things are behind the mind actually. Through mind. Many things you have it through mind. But mind on the gate, always feeling hunger actually. Birthday, this mind will understand that this is my quality to live in hunger. This is my quality. I will be never satisfied with this hunger because this is my quality. This is my reality to live in hungerness. Then mind realize this hungerness never fulfilled. Then immediate click. Now I stop to get anything. Now I want to live what I have it. Until now, mind want to get few things actually, few more things. This is the quality of mind. When understanding will come, then same mind will have this understanding, what I have it. And it will turn. Then he will get lot things, so many things. He has it inside actually. Once mind should turn. Many people are living here actually. They are mind oriented, just mind oriented. And the quality of the mind since starting to last, it will be hunger as it is. Because everything's mind throw behind. Even he has no time to look. He has no time to look. Just throw behind. And he is already on the gate, waiting for new things, waiting for little bit more food, more food, more food, like this actually. That's good, not bad actually. Your mind is hunger for a spiritual journey actually. Not bad. It's okay. Not bad. But once it will be tired with this hungerhood, then immediately he will turn. Then lot of things are waiting for you. Then you will get many glimpses of the life. Everything in it actually. One by one, many things coming up. Then you can enjoy. You can enjoy more than everyone actually. This is not bad. Mind is hunger for a spiritual way and not satisfied until now. Nothing is bad. This is great thing happening. But one day, you cannot understand this thing. I understood this thing. What happened with you? I understand very well actually. You cannot understand until now actually. But one day, this hungerhood will be break. Then you will come back. Then you can see what happened. Then what is happening here? What was happened with Osho? What was happening with here and there? Everything has a value. Everything is very beautiful. Hidden somewhere. Now you have many things but hidden. They are hidden there. The things are hidden. Then you can't enjoy with them actually because they are hidden. But one day, how long it will hidden? How long the mind will be hungered? One day, it will break it and go back to pavilion. Then you can see. So here, I cannot say any technique and any answer to you actually. Okay, you do this thing or this thing, this thing. You go as it is. What you are doing, you do it. You do the Sangarhu, it's okay. But maybe tomorrow you will fed up. But you should fed up with yourself. Not I am saying. I say, please stop this nonsense things and go back. It's not good. It's not. You live there. You live. One day, automatically, by nature, it will go turn. Then, your whole language will be changed. Now you are saying, I am hunger and I want to this thing, I am missing this thing, I am like this question. You have no clear question actually, but I understand what you want to say actually. So these all answer will come out. One day you will turn to cavalier. A little wait with patience. Keep down like this. So anybody else has something just for gossip? Different people has a different question. Maybe support to each other. Or not, then we play song actually. No problem. You have also question? No, not real. If you have not, don't hesitate. We enjoy, just gossip.
I'm not sure how to phrase the energy that's happening. There's an energy happening between you and me and you and us.
Yes.
Can you talk about that? Can you talk about that?
Actually, many mystery happen here. Among of me and you. Love is the great phenomena actually. If you love me, I love you. During the love, much more happening happen actually. We can't explain really what happened between me and you. This is very difficult to explain. But things are happening. This is true. I know this thing also actually. The things are happening between me and you. Because we are living in same journey, same attitude, same dimension. So why not actually? We are a good friend. Why not happen? If we are living in good relationship, and relationship, very beautiful relationship can possible with the two friends. Like this relationship, nothing can possible. Friend means, friendship can possible when you can feel to somebody like you. Nobody down, nobody up. Like this actually. So both are in same state. Then very nice relationship happen actually. It called love, it called real friendship. It called really friendship. I can say like this actually. So many mystery happen. Many things I don't know what happened with you. Many things you know what happened with you actually. But seems like something happened. Seems like something happened sure actually. And there is nothing for calculation. So my feeling, just you enjoy. Don't ask, don't put any meaning. What has happened between me and you, just enjoy. Just celebrate. I am celebrating. Every moment I am celebrating when you are related with you. You surprise. I am dancing. I am not looking, I am dancing. But I am dancing. And nobody can see I am dancing, but I am dancing. You surprise. Because it happened. When we have a nice mystery with each other, we are melting with each other. This is the great mystery, we are melting with each other. I know this thing when I was with Osho. You surprised. What will happen? What will happen with me? I am here or there. You surprised. It was a great love affair between me and Osho. Great love affair. I think so lucky. It was happened with me. Great love affair happened with me and Osho. Sometime he was living me like my beloved. Surprise. Beautiful beloved. Oh my God, then I sigh a little bit. Then I sigh actually. Is my master look like a beloved? Surprise. sometime nothingness, sometime Krishna, sometime many things happen actually, sometime emptiness. So many relations I had with Osho actually. And you surprise sometime. He was talking, I was listening. And I was feeling next word should this. And exactly next word was that actually. Then I was crying. What a great master doing this mystery actually. What has happened? What has happened with me actually? What a great thing. Great mystery. So, not like that, but something is happening with me and you also. This is true. Something happened. Because when I was with Osho, then now I can explain very well, that time not. Maybe you cannot explain this movement actually, but later you can explain more. One day, you can explain as it is what is happening here. This is very mysterious phenomena happening actually between me and you. Very mysterious. But together your mind is working. Your mind same time working. That's why not very much clear. But one day your mind will be cooled down. Then same things like here. When you remind the mind, we were in Buddha hall together. What was happened? You dance. Your mind will be cooled down. Everything is very mysterious happened between me and you. I am enjoying very much. And I am very fulfilled. I can die this moment. I will fully satisfied with my whole life vision. Okay. What I can do, already done. Nothing remains like this actually. Like this satisfaction I have it. So, in words, very difficult to explain actually what is happening. At this moment I am understanding everything. But one day you will understand also what is mystery happening here like this. Today you are asking, that's why I am opening this vision. Otherwise, never I explain this thing. I am giving an answer different way. But today I don't know why I am saying this thing. Because this morning he was sitting in front of me actually. And I was feeling something very different actually. So that's why little bit I start to say something actually. Otherwise, these mysterious things no need to say. Just keep it up to my pocket actually. One day it will open through you automatically actually. I know. Thus, the day is not far away. Soon it is coming. Then people will say this thing actually, that what was happening in this Buddha hall also. What was happened with Osho? You don't know what mystery happened between Osho and you. You don't know this thing. Without that, you cannot come to me. Without that, you can't recognize me. How can you recognize me? This is the greatest phenomena happened between Osho and you. That's why you recognize me. Otherwise, far away. We are living far away actually. Very different pole. In spite of that, we are enjoying together. It means some mysterious thing was happened before, now little bit more, then one day it will be very clean, very clean. Then you can see the mystery of happen. Then you dance. Then you enjoy. You laugh. Oh my God, it was happen in starting. Now I am understanding what is happened. So time has no meaning. That day you will clear actually. You will feel you are enjoying since starting. Since starting day you are enjoying actually. But this enjoyment was covering by mind only. When mind disappears, then whole things come up. Then you are a very rich. You can feel, I am the rich person in this earth. Nobody compare. Nobody compare like this. You are the rich person. This spiritual way is not so easy way. Since many life, people are preparing. Then you can recognize the Buddha. Who is the Buddha? Then you have love with him. Surprise. This is the great journey happening behind you actually. But one day it will open. Then you surprise. Like this. More than this I can't say actually. About this
You
chapter.
said everything.
Baba, I also had this feeling.
Thank you.
Then he came to wake me up. I was sleeping.
What he said?
Then he came to wake me up. I was sleeping. He said, now it is time for you to sing.
You were sleeping
Oh yes, Baba.
this morning.
I could not hear Hari Om Tat Sat.
Really?
And he came and he touched me and woke me up.
It means you are also Buddha. So anything else, people has it. Even people can ask in Hindi also. I can translate in English. Today I am in mood to talk in English, not in Hindi. So anybody can ask Indian person also. Any question, I will explain in English. Somebody has it?
बाबा ये जो मौत है यानी कि जो डर है दुख का पीड़ा का किसी भी चीज़ का तो सब में मौत का भय छिपा हुआ है तो अगर मौत में भय तो फिर हम उस आनंद को मतलब कैसे जान सकते हैं कि वो भय क्या है वो क्यों है वो भय हम
She was asking about the fear of death. Same question. Many times people asking this question actually. And she is asking how can we celebrate life with this fear? If this fear exists there, then how can people enjoy life actually? Many times actually I explain about the fear of death. And today you want, then again I am trying my best. Like this. The real thing is this. People are living in collective phenomena, collective consciousness. One of the great structure in this quotation actually, like a death, the feeling of death. Mostly everybody has it. And surprise, nobody knows this. They listen, they feel it. But nobody knows this mystery, what is the death. Without experience, people are feeling the fear of death. It is the very deeper collective consciousness work actually. It is not only individual. It is coming from all of us. In this way, we are all same. You can ask to anybody else, he has it. You can ask to anybody else, he has it. Everybody has it, this fear of death. One can understand these things and laugh it. Nobody knows the mystery, the reality of the death. And everybody feeling fear. This should question mark. Very deeper, should question mark. If you have a no question mark, you cannot break this collective consciousness, collective unconsciousness drama. This is collective unconsciousness existence. You can say like this actually. Because everybody has it. And slightly you can ask the question. Nobody knows. Nobody introduced me. This is the death. Nobody introduced me. And everybody is feeling, me too, like this. Then put question mark there. I want to know this. This is not good. I don't know about death and I am feeling fear of the death. This is not good. This is not respect myself actually. I don't know anything about the death actually. You know many things about you. It's okay. They have problem, it's okay. But about death, you don't know any sign about the death. Real. People are dying, that is different thing actually. This is not your experience. Somebody leaving body, this is not your experience. But you are feeling fear of the death. So it should be question mark first, honestly. Then first time you are feeling individual consciousness. If someone has a question mark, themselves, with anything, this is not a question about the death, with anything, just question mark. It's should real or false? Because mostly false thing, part of the mask. Mostly false things exist because false things the part of mask actually, not individual. If you can ask to individual anybody else, nobody has this experience. So why you are feeling very deep down? This is not your experience. Put question mark. Very deeper. Then you try a little bit adventure. Little adventure. Not jump to anywhere, but little adventure. Little adventure means somewhere you can feel there is the danger. Little bit you go there actually and watch. Then immediate this fear comes. Go alone in the darkness or somewhere else actually. Just sit there honestly. And you watch everything very nicely. You watch what has happened with you. And the fear of the death will come. You face it. Very honestly. This is not a big deal actually. Never people had this experience. They did not try. Like this actually. Because this is the part of collective unconsciousness. So who worry about why I try actually? Everybody is saying it should be true. Like this. But how can possible? It should be true actually. Not only this thing, many things like this. This is the quality of the seeker. Quality of the seeker, not following the mask situation actually. What this mask is saying, you don't believe it. Don't believe it. If you want to coming out from this all nonsense things actually, just face it. You surprise. Within 3 days, if you are very honest to know about the fear of death, it should be very curious question. Very curious. Without this answer, no life. This question should be like this actually. Without crossing this question, my whole life has no meaning. And I want to know the mystery of life. And this question is the big question between my mystery and me actually. So why don't I want to know this thing actually? And you should go there, honestly. Knowingly you should go there. Then you will feel there was nothing. You surprise the death is the very, very false phenomena. Nobody can, even Buddha cannot visit. Nobody can visit death. Just like, for example, light cannot visit darkness. Light can visit darkness. Darkness has existence because of no light. The certain part of the life is unknown. Your certain part. This is not a fear of death actually, very deep down. This is a fear, entry of unknown. It seems like a fear of death. This is only just talking way. But deep down the fear of, you have no need to aware. Just you are living normal life actually. There is no need to aware for known things actually. And known things are not mysterious than unknown. Unknown always mysterious. Your life is great life because of unknown, not because of the known. Known has no meaning. Known is a part of mind. It is already dead. Every known things, the part of dead things, it has nothing. The whole mystery is hidden in unknown. So this journey, unknown to unknown, and the entry of the unknown called death. Entry of the unknown called death. There is no more death. Nobody can face death. This is my experience. 100% I am saying this thing. This is my experience. I had a fear like you also. But this question mark comes to in my mind. I had no visit this. How can I feel this thing actually? Then I start. You start. Anybody can start actually. This is the fear of unknown entry actually. Nobody want to enter in unknown space. The death is the unknown space. And who knows what will happen there? You are not fearful about death. This is only the psychological phenomena. But deep down you have a fear because of unknown. You don't want. And unknown has a mystery. One has this understanding that if we want to mystery, and mystery has life, real life, you cannot enjoy with known life. You surprise. Known life is the part of mind. How can you enjoy it? If you want to enjoy, then you start unknown journey. All kind of unknown journey create life and love and ecstasy and many multiple things happen there actually. You surprise. And people are living very known part. This known part has a no meaning, just burden. This is not mysterious. No loving, no taste with known. You know, when you have a love with unknown girl, then feel like something will happen with me because she is unknown. When one day she will known, then no meaning. You surprise. Anything else, I am not saying only one thing. Thousands of things like this actually. If you entered unknown to unknown, you will be happy, every day happy. You can enjoy fully life actually. So you start like this. You don't ask how can go death or this or that. 100% you can see this mystery actually. That the journey of the death, the journey of unknown. You start unknown. Because think about known things actually. You got something with known? Just like everything dead. or all kind of things are dead actually. Only real things just waiting for you. Just waiting. You open the gate, the mystery will happen. And mystery will happen, your mind, your intelligence, your wisdom, your holiness, many things coming out, many things. This is our problem. We have all quality. These are hidden. Many things are hidden there actually. Because fear of unknown. We don't want. Mind always want to live in known structure. Known things are very good. Very free we are enjoying, very free. Not free, you are dead. My feeling is this. If you are living only the known, you are dead person, just like a dead body. There is no current, no love, no ecstasy. How can possible with this known system actually? The spiritual journey, unknown to unknown journey. You can enter with any gate actually. You can say death, you can say love, you can say this or that. This is not a question. But reality, enter to unknown. If you start this journey like this actually, then you cannot ask any question here and there. You will be enjoyed. But your life will be joyful. Once start, and unknown again unknown, and unknown again unknown, and known become a mind. You surprise all kind of the Osho structure, all kind of the Buddha structure, all kind of the Jesus structure are known, all dead. You surprise, part of the mind, nothing is there. This whole things happen. What he said, you will get it only thirst. How can know unknown? The whole structure for that actually. And if you are playing this mind actually, that's why yesterday I said actually, somebody asked me, your cassette or this or that should be. Then I said it's okay. This is entertainment only. This is the entertainment of the mind. Nothing is there. You can enjoy with Osho or you can enjoy with me. Past is past. Past is the mind. Even this moment, we are together. This moment, what I am saying, everything will be mind. Then past is the mind. Things is going past is the mind. The life is everything growing. Life is fresh. Existence is fresh. Every existence happening every moment for this moment. You surprise. And you are thinking about the past. You are missing this point. You are missing this known point. This every time you are coming from unknown to known by nature. And very beautiful happening happen with you actually. And then you pass, then it is the part of the mind only. And we are very much busy from past, then how can enjoy here and now? This moment something happened with you. And it is covered by the known, covered by the mind. Known is the mind. All kind of structure. Known is mind. Even any saint and even me, even anybody else, that time he was talking, Osho was talking. It was just coming from unknown. It was very fresh. Later you can listen that. It will give you only thirst. Only thirst. If somebody cannot get thirst, then missing the dialogue. Then whole structure, you want to know the meaning. You want to know the meaning and you want to satisfy it with meaning. What he said it. You are missing. How can you enjoy his lecture actually? If you want to enjoy his lecture actually, don't put meaning. Just sedentary. Then you will be more thirsty actually. Then you will be more thirsty, then you have this question. How can I enter in the mystery? This is the question. How long I can listen to here and there actually? But mystery is mystery. How can I know the mystery of heaven actually? And mystery of heaven will happen when you will go unknown to unknown actually. This is and unknown to unknown you are going in this moment also. Very little. Because unknown to known to unknown, if not happen, then no more life. You have a glimpse of the little bit of the light. It comes from unknown. You surprise. It is not coming from known actually. It is coming. When you are very aware, what is the meditation? What is the meditation? During the meditation, this is the mystery. What here happening actually? Who he knows the mystery of heaven actually? What is here happening? When we are sitting, we are entering slowly, known to unknown. Everything is new for you there. Everything is new. If you are aware, then everything new for you. And everything new for you, that's why you are getting happiness. Thus you are feeling after the meditation dance. What happened? Not knowledge only. Meditation is the mystery. Mystery. It is the door. This is the real door to known to unknown. Don't touch known. Known part of the mind. What happened this moment with you, forget it. But little things happen with somebody else. He said, I have something light or this or that or that. These are stupid things actually. Somebody asked me also. One man today came to me actually. He explained many things. 2 years before he had an experience. Then I said, what has happened now? Now nothing happened. Then why not happen? You can't forget that. That thing, you were in light. This moment, what is happening? You are in darkness or light? Reality is here. Where you are actually. What was happened, it is a part of mind. And you can't get anything from there. So please, silence. Wait. Wait and enter to unknown again. It was happened. When you enter to unknown, that's why it was happened. And here also, every moment can happen actually. And during the meditation, much happening here. I know the few people actually, but they have a bad habit. When they got some experience, immediate go to never. Immediate go, please, you listen me, I am very happy because of I had this, and drama finished, then the part of the mind. You can't get anything there. Otherwise, also was a great mystic. Until now, things are happening. If you know him very well, what he was, not by word, but with mystery, then you can enter every day there. You can enter. Because he opened a lot of things. But when you will open from yourself, it is nothing like this. Then you can feel it was a mind. But real thing happened now. This is the new also coming. This is the reality because also is endless. Also not a, you cannot say the phenomena of human being. It was the part of existence actually. Mystery of existence. He was open the mystery of existence for everyone. You surprised. You can enter there. Everybody can enter there. Very easy to enter there because gate is open. You love with him. You love with him, then much possibility you have it to enter there. You surprised. So here People are sitting, just sitting. Don't put behind any idea, then automatically you will be entered with new. And new is coming, your entry is happening actually. No more fear. Once this mystery you happen, then what is the nonsense idea about the death actually? Death means you don't want to miss your known things. You don't want to miss your known personality. This is the fear. Otherwise, what is the fear? You don't want to miss your known personality actually. And if you want to mystery, the happen actually, then your false personality will be damaged. Finish actually. No need. Just garbage. Nothing is there actually. You can get new and new. The body looks same, but like a flame, you will get every moment new phenomena there. This is the reality. So enough for today, or people have...
One more, Baba.
You can't understand this mystery?
Yes, what?
Then you enjoy it. Again you put your mind there. Okay. I can play other roles.
You say you are always with us. You say you are always with us.
Always?
With us.
Yes.
आप हमेशा हमारे साथ हैं।
Yes.
So how we really deepen this trust?
How you?
Go deeper in this trust.
Actually, I said this thing honestly. I am with you. My meaning is this. Me and you are same thing. I am not saying I am there. Don't feel like this. You search where is Baba. This is again nonsense feeling. Baba means this body is not Baba. Osho was not a body. Osho was a great existence. And he is already there. Not only me actually. Me and he and you same thing. For me. For me same thing. I love Osho. Same amount I love you. Same amount I love me. Because only the indication change. Love is love. This indication Osho, my love. This indication, this guy. This indication you. This indication. But I love Osho with many forms. You understand? This form also actually. And you also. So why not I am together with you? I am together with you with your, like your purity, your happiness, your wisdom, your ecstasy actually. It is there, already there. So you start. If you want to me, live in happiness. Enjoy, joyfully. When you live with happiness, I will be more there. Then more happy, then I will be more there. I love happiness. Where there happiness happen, I am there. I love happiness very much. That's why I am trying here. People should happy because I love happiness. What to do? I love happiness. So people are crying, coming here and there. Then I change the whole drama. And immediately you start happy. Then I, very nice. Very good happening. I love very much happiness. Me and happiness is same thing. You understand? You start happy with small thing. Not, you don't search the real excuse for happiness. Any kind of excuse for happiness. This is not a question. Just happy. And happiness always happen in this moment. You cannot put your happiness in past or future. When happiness, then you are here and now. Just this moment. You are here and now also is there. I am there. Whole existence there. And you are there. You surprised. The key is this. Live in happiness. With small thing. When some stupid idea come in your mind actually, anything, nonsense thing from your parents or here and there, say goodbye. I am busy with happiness. Please, you don't come to me here. I am very busy with happiness. I am enjoying me. You understand? This is my technique. Always I am talking about my technique. You understand? This is my experience. Always I am saying my experience to people actually. Because same thing. People are people. Mind is mind. I know very well actually. And mystery is same for me and you also. So, this is the great mystery. When you will be happy, you are in present moment, you are with Osho, you are with me, then gate is open for you. The mystery, you will be related with mystery, then not, this happiness is not enough. Happiness to happiness. Happiness to happiness. It is endless journey. I am enjoying since 32 years. Without single gap. You surprised. When I realized Osho was a great master. Osho is my real master actually. Since that day to now, this moment, I am enjoying very much. And this going on and on, happiness to happiness. And you are entitled for that. You don't feel like this, that this is only with me. No, this possibility for all of us. We are all lucky in this way to live in happiness. A little bit, put a little bit intelligence. Then enjoy it. And very much drama happen, come to me, little bit. Then I will do some drama. Then again you start. Pluck it. You can pluck me. Then something can happen. You understand? Question is over? Okay. So say goodbye. And this night, everybody needs to enter to unknown. Not known. Please forget the known. Whole idea. Known is devil. Unknown is real. Unknown is life. Known is dead. Remember this thing. Osho! Thank you for listening.
मेरे हमदम मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथी मेरे मीत मेरे
publish
and
it,
then-
please.
It was
It's
very
terrible.
much. Yeah.
Oh, just because you lost one little thingy.
At the end of every song, we should have the birds. Why do you forget?
अरे कितने दिनों तक मैंने ऐसा सोचा है I was trying to find some instrument.